Alright, what is going on? Just another video. I sold the Hilux and I brought a VT Commodore. It's pretty much all stock. I took the spoiler off already. Still got the holes in there. I've just been rallying it around. So it's a bit dirty at the moment. And yeah, the only problem is some dents. But yeah, it's nothing. Get a new door and try to figure out something about that dent. I just lost the mud flap. I was drifting around and then turned around, went to go back, and I seen a mud flap on the road. I was like, fuck, that must be mine. And it was. Yeah, so it's a bit dirty. Paint's a bit faded, but that's nothing either. It was mainly just something for work. 2000 Olympic edition, if that means anything. Inside's still pretty good. It's got 226,000 Ks. I've got to rip that out, put an actual proper CD player in. Yeah, it's mud guard, mud flat. Roof lining's pretty good. Must have sagged, so they fixed it. This window has a problem. That one doesn't go down, the passenger. And passenger side back door I don't think opens. Actually, I haven't even tried. Everything else works good. New tyres. I will get some king springs for it. And got new tail lights for it. I'll take whatever they are, spotlights or something. 4 spotlights. Take them off. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just showing like the base of it so far. And hopefully I'll do some stuff to it. I was going to re-reg the Hilux, but I don't know, I just needed a car for work, like ASAP, so I just brought this. It's $900. It's got 1.5 months rego, and it's fun so far. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just thought I'd do an update. Haven't posted in a while. But yeah, anyway. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.